Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I am starting a new journey to become an ethical hacker, and I want you to join me on this exciting path. Many people misunderstand hacking, thinking it's only about cybercrime. But in reality, hacking is a powerful skill used to protect and secure digital systems in this video, we will cover what is hacking, who is a hacker, types of hackers, how you can start hacking using just your phone, Termux, or a PC, Kali Linux. And make sure to stay connected because tomorrow we'll be uploading a detailed video on Termux basics, installation, and setup.
What is hacking? Hacking is the process of finding and exploiting weaknesses in a system, application, or network. But it's not just about cybercrime. Hacking is also used for security testing, ethical research, and protecting systems. Hacking can be divided into two main types. Ethical hacking, used to improve security and prevent cyber threats. Malicious hacking, used for illegal activities like stealing data. Think of hacking like a key. If you use it to unlock your own door, it's legal. But if you use it to break into someone else's house, it's a crime. Who is a hacker? A hacker is a person who understands computer systems deeply and knows how to break and fix security vulnerabilities. Not all hackers are criminals. Many hackers work for companies like Google, Microsoft, and Facebook to strengthen cybersecurity, governments to protect national security, cybersecurity agencies to track and stop cybercriminals. Types of hackers. Hackers are categorized based on their intentions. White hat hackers, ethical hackers, protect systems and improve security. Black hat hackers, cybercriminals, hack for personal gain, stealing data or money. Gray hat hackers, hack without permission, but don't always have bad intentions. Script kiddies, beginners who use pre-made hacking tools without real knowledge. Hacktivists, hackers who attack systems for political or social reasons. Every hacker has different motivations, but ethical hacking is the key to securing the digital world. How to start hacking? Using a phone or PC. Using a phone, Termux Kali Linux on Android. You don't need a powerful PC to start hacking. With just a smartphone, you can learn the basics of ethical hacking using Termux. Install Termux, a Linux terminal emulator for Android 2. If your phone is rooted, you can install Kali Linux to get a full hacking environment. With Termux, you can run Linux-based hacking tools, learn networking and cybersecurity concepts, perform ethical hacking tasks legally. Tomorrow's video will be all about installing and setting up Termux, so stay tuned. Using a laptop or PC, Kali Linux. For a complete hacking experience, you can install Kali Linux, an operating system designed for cybersecurity professionals. Steps to install Kali Linux. Download Kali Linux from the official website. Install it on a virtual machine or as a primary OS on 3. Explore powerful hacking tools like Nmap, Metasploit, and Wireshark. Where to learn ethical hacking? If you want to become a hacker, then stay connected to us and join the WhatsApp community. The link is given in description of the video, and also you can start learning from these resources. Websites like TryHackMe and Hack the Box for real-world hacking practice, programming, learn Python, Bash, and C for scripting and automation, networking, cybersecurity. Understand how the internet and security systems work. Certifications. Get industry-recognized certificates like CEH, Certified Ethical Hacker. Conclusion. Next video announcement. This is just the beginning of our ethical hacking journey. Now you know what hacking is, the different types of hackers, and how you can start hacking using your phone with Termux or a PC with Kali Linux. But this is just the first step. Tomorrow, we'll be uploading a detailed video on how to install and set up Termux, so make sure to subscribe to my channel turn on notifications, share with friends. Stay connected for more hacking tutorials. I hope you like this video for more content. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.